Hello guys, I noticed a little bit of wetness in my garage ceiling, and then I came up on the roof and I noticed you can see here, there's a little crack here, and this kind of runs a little straight line. So I got this. It's a Black Knight roof seal, fibered roof coating, brush grade. And I'm going to apply the coat right on here. I also got this. It's a severe weather superior roof repair, so we can actually apply this caulking wherever it helps you stop leaks. Works even in driving rain, and it has rubber modified for superior strength and flexibility, as you can see here. So okay, let's start working on this. First thing first, I'm just going to kind of clean the area here. Just want to make sure that there is no debris or any dust here before we start the painting. Extremely straightforward. I'm just taking the paint and just making sure I'm applying crisscross, so that way all the holes and everything here are going to be nicely filled up, and there will not be any room for the water to penetrate. So that's exactly what I'm doing. As you can see, apply crisscross and make sure that it goes inside any holes where you have the two main big pieces of shingles overlapping. Okay, so I finished the overlapping, the lines, those are all done. Filled a lot of material in that, and now Ryan is actually just finishing up right in the middle. So in case if there is any cracks or anything in the middle, this will really help prevent any leakage. So here you can see where we had some looks like water dripping. It was very minute, but here you can see the paint's peeling off. So I just wanted you to see how it is. Now let's go up and see where Ryan is at. So this part which Ryan did, this is exactly above the leak which I showed you. So we have covered this, but I'm also going to cover a little more on both extra sides, just to make sure if there's any cracks around in this area anywhere, we catch those as well. And that's our beautiful waterproof patch for the roof. Guys, saved a lot of money on this project as well. I did it, and I'm sure you can do it as well. All right, take care. Talk to you in the next video. Bye now.